Let me show you how to see your card number on Apple Wallet. Now, if you're in the Apple Wallet and you don't necessarily want to double tap to pay, but you want to see the exact card number, maybe the expiration date and CVV, I'll show you how to do it. There are a couple different ways we can do this. The first one is, of course, open up that Wallet app. So if you haven't already, just swipe to the app library and just search for Wallet and open it up. Now, the first option you have is to tap on that card that you want the card number for. Let's say this one, this Bank of America Visa Chase Rewards or Cash Rewards. From here, once you've tapped on it, you'll be able to see at the top right are those three dots. Tap on those three dots and go to Card Details. From here, you'll be able to see card details, your billing address. All you need to do is tap on card information here, and it will show you your credit card number, expiration date, all of that stuff. However, if you don't see it in there, there's another place that you can check. From here, let's go to the Settings app on your phone, and we'll go to the Safari settings. Scroll down, tap on Apps, and then scroll down until we get to Safari on this list. Tap on that. Now, from here, you might have that information in your autofill. So tap on autofill here. And then here you can see saved credit cards. I can tap on that and you'll be able to see it uses my Face ID here. And now you'll be able to see Apple Cash, my Bank of America credit card, and my Science Trends credit card as well. All of these you'll be able to see. You can just tap on them to be able to see that exact card number. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions.